But 2 years ago, the governor wanted to push a milk tax. One pizza person from Northwest Arkansas who owns Eureka Pizza, it wasn't me, I wish it was, he started getting people involved in a respectful way. And he got in the governor's face by email, by phone calls, by having people go, by having their state reps. And I can tell you that made a difference. Governor Beaton said, you know what, that's not a good idea, we're not going to do that. So you do so by getting involved and doing that with where you are. Now, is it unconstitutional? I believe that it's unconstitutional. And what you did is, and what Arkansas did, is we got rid of some folks. And we had all 4 of our Congress people voted to repeal it. Now, one of those people voted to get it to the floor to vote for it, but then last year, or earlier this year, voted to repeal it. So, elections have consequences. Somebody up here said that. Well, we showed them in 2010 that we can make a difference. Well, 2012 is coming, and that's before 2014. And so we've got to work in this state, and we've got to work in other states to get people up there that believe the way we do.
On a side note, we're a nonpartisan, nonprofit organization, and we're the panelists trying to do education. Just on that note, here is a way to engage, contact Governor Beebe's office. These things should be vetted through the legislative process. The legislature is the voice of the people, and we encourage these rules and regulations to take place in open, transparent meetings where it's not special interest and government bureaucrats. That's why we're having this meeting, so just take one of these. We encourage you to fill it out and contact the governor. So,